Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And this week we did have our update for Microsoft Edge. Also a change in version number. So Edge is now at version 150, like Google Chrome. Of course, it doesn't have much front-facing features or anything. A lot of internal changes within the browser itself with different tweaks, also deprecation of some of the features that were already announced many months ago that they would deprecate, including the sidebar and stuff like that. Now, if you go to the upper right corner, the three horizontal dots, go into Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. You'll be moved to version 150.0.4078.48. And this is mostly important for the high number of security fixes. As you've seen, Google Chrome this week moved to version 150, and there were something like 380 security flaws that were fixed. And so just for that reason, do update your browser. Make sure that you have your Chromium browsers also updated, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, because they will all contain those, high numbers of security flaws that are going to be fixed, including a lot of security flaws that are critical. So if you want to stay safe, it's the best way to stay safe. This is very important. Your antivirus does not protect you against security flaws. You got to remember that the updates and the fixes of the security flaws is the number one thing that protects you. So check it out. Make sure that all of your browsers are up to date and stay secure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.